and select the rectangle tool. Click and drag and create a square. Press return or enter on the keyboard. Set the horizontal value to 100. Go down here, click duplicate. You've now got 2. What you can do, enter, say 10. Remember 100 and 10. Click OK. With that, go to the Move tool and select all of those squares. Right click and group. With those, press return or enter on the keyboard. And again, go here, but this time vertical. Enter 100. Again, duplicate, and go here and set the value to 10. And you've got that. And then click OK. Now go to Select and select all layers. So they're all selected. And you can resize this. Then right click and group. So they're all grouped. Then go to the Tools panel and select the Rectangle tool. Click above and drag down. Hold down Shift and release. Click up here and change the colour to make it easier. Go to this rectangle and drag below. And now you've got this grid. Then go to the Move tool and select both. Go to the Alignment and Align. And then right click and go down to Geometry and Subtract. And now you've got your grid in Affinity Photo.